better get ready for a big surprise. You think it's almost over, it's only on the rise. Mental message via visual contact, louder than any other soundtrack. Tougher I could generate out, rippled out the killer, lava chugging down on my J&B while checking out the parts of my day's anatomy. Forget the brain, forget the personality. All I have is your effect on my gravity, like Trinity, flying high with your kickstand, controlling the game with a heavy, dirty choice. For a big surprise, you think it's almost over, but it's only in the rise. Metal message via visual contact, louder than other soundtrack. With the tape as we skip to the next every flashing soundtrack. Going in from the thrill, room in from the field. Let us for a room in the fancy hotel, and we got everything you need. A big bag of money, a bigger one. Your presence start undress. Stop press. You need to get this. You better get ready for a big surprise. You think it's almost over, but it's only on the rise, man. Visual contact, louder than any other soundtrack. She's on the microphone, so. My name is Vinci and I am neat. I love pretty girls and I love to eat. And made this rap from my mind. And I am very, very gone. I like to drive fast and fancy car. 60 me like chocolate bar. Say I'm bad but I am good. So shut up now and eat some food. So ano bang problema mo? Ayusin mo naman. Lagayin mo naman ang tono para kang nahingoy. Ano bang inuwan mo? Bago mong 10 taon ka lang sikat, wala pa rin pagkulalan. So ano bang sinasabi mo? Mali ang sinasabi mo. Magaling akong kumuhanda. Alam mo, yung pizza pie. Kung sa bagay, ano rin naman yung pizza pie. Gamit ng boses mo man. Una yung kanta, diba? Kahit ikaw ang gumawa, alam natin masugay kung ano yung gumanda. So naman, please wag ka. At alam mo naman na ikaw baka pala lang at ilang nga bang talagang nagawa mong kanta. Ilan, wala, ako ngayon. Alam naman natin lahat na si Vinci naman talaga. Vocalist ng parokya band, the parokya ni Edgar. Teka lang, 1 minute, pwede bang pakiulit? Maring may lamang sa palit ko. Namali ba kayo mga sabi na ikaw nang mararako? Isang kanta, wala kang sulat. Bakit sulat siya? Sumanyo, hindi niya. Kailangan sobrang kong sumikat tulad ko ng Ate Keno at ni Benedict Aquino. Nawala yan ang sikat hanggang na sino. Ewan ko sandali, huwag kang kung ayaw mo, sipo sa mukha at malupit. Baka yung nakatikim ka na magbalik kang hoos. Hindi story, legado ko yung talaga hindi nga, tatawa ba ako? Hindi porket kung piano ka magaling ka kay Kondo. Kay Balbas, yung atras. Dali lang, wag muna kayong maglaban. Bago kayo magsuntukan, dati nyo muna pag-uusapan. Hindi mo, sige napis, at least ang bayad mo sa jeepney. Hindi sumaro nangyari yung matuto kayong kung paano. Huwag natin kalimutan kung saan nagsimula. Natin lahat na mahal namin ng isa't isang walang iwanan sa parokya band, sa parokya ni Edgar Band. Di ko alam kung paano tatapusin ang kanta. Kaya ganito na lang, bigla na lang wala.